Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I shall be discussing on the topic multiple alleles. First, let us see what is an allele. An allele is an alternate form of a gene at the same locus on homologous chromosome. In fact, it is a gene variant which differs in nitrogenous base sequence. So a gene can exist in many or multiple forms. When more than two different forms of a given gene exist in a species, they are referred to as multiple alleles. According to Dr. Edgar Altenberg, three or more kinds of a gene which occupy the same locus are referred to as multiple alleles. In brief, genes having more than two alleles are said to be multiple alleles. It is worth mentioning that about 30% of human genes are diallelic, that is, they exist in two forms, it's having two alleles. About 70% are monoallelic, that is, they exist in only one form and so no variation. However, a very few are polyallelic, having more than two forms. Although a diploid individual organism can only have two alleles for a given gene, multiple alleles may exist at the population level, and different individuals in the population may have different pairs of these alleles. Multiple alleles are produced due to repeated mutation of the same gene but in different directions. Multiple alleles combine in different ways in a population and produce different phenotypes, as you will see in the following examples. These phenotypes are caused by proteins which are encoded for by the various alleles. Although each gene encodes for the same type of protein, the different alleles can cause high variability in the functioning of these genes. Well, let's get to see some of the significant features of multiple alleles. Firstly, multiple alleles always occupy the same locus on the chromosome. Secondly, they always influence the same character. Thirdly, no crossing over takes place among member alleles of the same multiple allelic series. While we have a fairly good example of multiple alleles in the animal world, for example, we have the ABO blood group systems in humans, we have the coat color in rabbit, and we have the eye color in Drosophila, the common fruit fly. In Drosophila, the color of the eye comes in mutant forms as well as in wild type form. The wild type form is red in color. However, mutant forms do occur, ranging from pure white through a series of intermediate colors. For example, pure white to white apricot, white coffee, white red, white wine, white eosin, and whatnot. However, the classical and most common example of multiple alleles is the ABO blood group of humans. The ABO locus coding for blood group has three common alleles: IA, IB, and IO. The letter I stands for isoagglutinogen. It's another term for antigens. These antigens are nothing but small molecules of sugars located on the surface of the RBC. The ABO blood type alleles determine what antigens, whether A, B, AB or none, are present on the surface of the red blood corpuscles. The alleles IA and IB are codominant, IO is recessive. IA and IB each are dominant over IO. And human being carries two of the three alleles, one from each parent. As you see, the different genotypes and phenotypes for the ABO blood group system in human beings. If the genotype is IA, IA or IAIO, the blood phenotype will be A, that is A blood type. If it is IB, IB or IBIO, it is B blood group. If the two alleles are present, that is IA and IB, then the blood group will be IAB. Sorry. And if the alleles are recessive, IOIO, the blood group will be O. We have another example of multiple alleles in the animal kingdom. It is the coat color in rabbit. A gene called C gene specifies the coat color in rabbit. It comes in 4 common alleles: C, CH, CCH and C. The C is dominant over CCH, which is dominant over CH, and it is also dominant over C. The colors are wild type, that is the first one is the agouti or the wild type, having brown color. Second, we have the chinchilla, which is a greenish color. The third color is Himalaya with white body along with black nose, tails, legs and ears, and albino, which is pure white. So these are the different examples and the phenomenon of multiple alleles in the animal kingdom. I hope you liked my video. That's it for today. Thank you.